today I am so excited because I'm going to show you all what is in my skincare fridge. And if you all don't know what a skincare fridge is, I didn't know about this until like a couple months ago. And it is a fridge where you just keep all like your skincare products that you want to keep cold in the refrigerator. It could be like a gel product that you want to put on your face. It could be like anything that you think that you want to put in your refrigerator for your skincare. That's what you put it in. And you don't have to have a mini fridge to put your skincare products in. You could just have like a normal refrigerator put in there. But I just want a mini fridge to put mine in. And I just think they're so cute too. And yeah. So this is the box my mini refrigerator came in. This is the Frigidaire Retro Mini refrigerator. And it's pink and it can hold up to like 6 cans. And yeah, but I'm using this for my skincare. And also I had to take the shelf out of my mini fridge. I'll show you. I had to take my shelf out of my mini fridge because I had to make more room in my mini fridge because I wanted to add more stuff in my fridge, and I had to take this out because it wouldn't all fit unless I took this out. And yeah, so I just want to let you know. And it came with a car adapter, but it is in my drawer and I didn't get a chance to show you that, but it comes with one. And yeah, so if you want to see what is in my mini fridge, skincare fridge, then keep on watching. Okay, so here is my Frigidaire Retro Mini Refrigerator, and it's so cute and pretty and pink, and it's so cute. Alright, so let's look inside the refrigerator. Alright, and here is all what I keep in my mini fridge. So let's look at the first thing. Alright, this is Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this is so amazing, and it's so nice and refreshing. Like, you know, since it's been in the refrigerator, even without being in the refrigerator, it's still awesome, but I like to keep it in the refrigerator, and it works amazing. Also, I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist Hydrating Glowing Radiance. And this is the, you know, the watermelon glow mist, and it's so pretty. And it's nice and refreshing on my face. It just spritzes on my face after I use my moisturizer. Okay, so the next thing I got is the Tart Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. And this is what the Tart Drink of H2O moisturizer look like. It's nice, and it's got a gel texture to it, and it's awesome. And it's nice too for the winter and summer, fall, anytime. It's always awesome to use on your face. Okay, so the next thing I got is the American Pie Body Conditioner by Lush. And I cannot wait to use this, and it's supposed to just like moisturize your, you know, body while you're in the shower or taking a bath. And I just love Lush products, so I cannot wait to try it. Also, I have this Lush Pink Peppermint Foot Cream, and this is amazing. And this is what it looked like inside, and it definitely moisturized my feet so well. Okay, so the next thing I got in here in the refrigerator is the Lush Turkish Delight Shower Smoothie, and it says, "We've captured a whole Turkish rose field in this pot. Come up smelling of roses after you use this rich, softening shower smoothie." And yeah, it's the same thing. It's just like as the body conditioner. You just rub it all over your skin when you're taking a shower, or you can probably use it in the bath too. Yeah, you can use it in the bath too, and just like leaves your skin feeling so moisturized, and you just wash it off after you finish taking your shower. and it leaves your skin so soft and smooth. And this is what it looks like inside. I used a lot of this because it's so awesome. And all these products are awesome, but I just know I use a lot of this. Okay, so next thing I got in here is the Snowberry body conditioner. It says on here, nourishing cocoa butter, avocado butter, and almond oil envelope skin in a softening hug. And it's by Lush. And this stuff is so good. Anyone knows me knows I love Lush Snowberry. All of their like shower gels and like their body conditioner and the massage bar. It's also just like one of my faves, and it's just so good, especially during the winter time. You just rub this on your body, or anytime, but you know, it's around Christmas and stuff, and it's just so awesome to use this. And it smells so good. It smells like sweet, like candy, cotton candy type smells, and I love that kind of smells, like dessert type smells. Definitely would recommend this, and all these products I definitely would recommend. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty in pink. Like I always say, I just love pretty pink, especially that movie. Pretty pink is awesome. But it is so nice, and it glides on your skin so smoothly, and yeah, and it just makes your skin feel so soft, and it smells really good too. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to face mask. Here is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, hydrating plus soothing for all skin types. I cannot wait to use this, and I heard so many great things about it, and I just think it's so cute in this package. How cute is this watermelon shape package? So cute. Okay, next face mask. Here are the Tachi Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and I haven't used these yet, but I heard great things about them, and I cannot wait to use this, especially like in the summer, and it leaves your skin so nice and dewy. But I'm gonna use them before then too, before the summer, but I cannot wait to use these. Yeah. Alright, and the last thing in my skincare fridge is this face mask, and it's the Pumpkin 24 Karat Gold Mask, and I cannot wait to use this. It says on here, "Too Cool for School." That's the name of the company, and it's so cute. It's like a little pumpkin. It reminds me of Cinderella, and I cannot wait to use this. So cute. Okay, and that is all that I keep in my skincare fridge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also turn on your post notifications. And yeah, more videos coming soon, and I love you all. Bye.